everybody, here I am in Laguna Beach for this ride at the Willow Canyon. Gonna hit up Lizards, Missing Link, and TNA. I'm very excited to ride this again after 2 or 3 years, so let's go up together. You know, I thought it was gonna be raining because it was a little bit sprinkling earlier. Yeah. But now that I know it looks perfect like this, I'm not worried at all. Well, I shouldn't say that right now. It might be pouring like a minute later.
Yeah, it was raining earlier in our place.
Oh yeah.
A little bit of drizzle.
Just a bit. Yeah, I can't jinx it. No more jinxing. I couldn't do that like 2 or 3 years ago, going up that steep section right there without taking a break. Now I don't need to, but it's still tough as shit. Getting closer to the trail that we're gonna hit. Lynx and wait, I forgot the name. Lynx. Oh, actually, sorry, Lizards and then TNA. Brings back memories. Missing link. Hopefully no missing links in my chain. Yeah, you gotta love OC. Man, it's nothing like it.
That's where we start. It's start downhill, and then we hit again, then fire road again, then drop down to Lizards.
Nice.
Yeah.
Can't wait. Oh, missing link. Haven't been to this one in a while. Very sandy. So sandy, actually. Yeah. Really sandy. The berms. It's getting really moist out here because it's like a little bit of a mist. Hopefully it doesn't rain on me. But that was missing link. That was a really short trail. But I know that Lizards and TNA are much longer. Oh yeah, right here. Looks like this is Lizards. Let's go down. Going down Lizards is good. Yes. Ooh. Oh, what the hell was that? Is that a rat? Oh. Did you see that? That rat was just going. The rat just went in front of me. Okay. Oh. Ooh.
like, can I roll around through that? Okay, let's continue. Woohoo! Oh, what the hell? This steep part. Okay. Yes, yes. I got it. Oh, I hate this part. Hike a bike part. I got a time lapse for this one. Okay, let's go. Whee! Bumps everywhere. Ooh. Yes. Great. The heck? Hope nothing got caught in my chain. Yes. Love this type of flow. What I remember, I think it's gonna be a brutal climb back up from here. Maybe. That's weird. I only remember the brutal climbs and not the other parts of the trail. But then maybe that's just me. Ooh, nice. Of course I remember this brutal climb here.
Yeah, now we climb again.
I know, right? Wow, this is crazy. Okay, let's go up this really steep hill right here. Sandiness here. Look at how much water's coming down onto the sandy part of the trail. You can see the white. That's how wet it is right now. Still a bit of drizzle. I just hope it doesn't rain while I go downhill, which would be really horrible timing. If this part of the video just looks smudged or lots of water, I'm sorry. It's my fault for going on a rainy part of the day, but I still want to get a ride in it. So. Feeling water everywhere. Oh, nice.
Getting cold.
I know.
So wet right now.
Yeah, super chilly. The weather channel was wrong.
Yeah, I know.
What the heck?
What the hell? It's supposed to be just an overcast.
Yeah, overcast my butt.
Not overcast at all.
This is 2-3 levels above overcast. Oh yeah, the brutal climb comes up. Okay, let's do it.
Woo, we made it, man.
Yeah, we did. I think this trail is only bikes, right?
Yeah.
Good. It should be that way.
Yeah.
Let's go down TNA. Oh, what the? That's how wet it is. My brakes. Damn, I might not be able to do certain features because of this moisture. Maybe, we'll see. Yes. Love little jibs like that. Tight berm. Really wet. Oh, but still good flow. I need some traction. Yes. Oh, love the flow. Yeah. Okay, a little bit of feature. Oh, wrong line. A little bit technical. I have to gauge the speed. Ooh, great. Oh, good thing I'm getting a little bit of traction during this moisture. That's it. Oh, what the hell? Oh, look at this. Yeah, I remember there was like a drop right here. Yeah, this one.
There's a drop here. There's a roll there.
Yeah, I might hook the flat this one.
Alright.
So many options here. I don't think you need any speed for that. We can just roll it down.
Yeah.
Hopefully the sprocket doesn't hit, or the chain ring.
Yeah, on this right.
Yeah. I mean, if you go a little bit to the right.
Here?
I
Yeah,
think.
'cause this one, once you put your weight there, your bike is straight like that.
Oh yeah.
So it's not like you're going right like that.
Yeah.
It's gonna make it a little tricky.
I've seen you roll down a feature like that before.
Yeah, I know. It's not really a really hard feature. It's just
And it gets to your mind, right?
yeah. Yeah.
You got that.
Think about too much.
Yeah. Nice, JC. Damn, you totally did that well.
Hard, you know?
Yeah, you made that look easy. Let me just run up to it. Feel for this one. Should be okay. Oh my God.
Wait.
Man, my shoes and everything is all dirt.
I know.
And I'm wet everywhere. But at least I got to hit that big drop right there.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, that's all that counts for me.
Finish this thing.
Let's finish this. Yeah. This is a really good trail. I love it. It's so technical. Oh wow, really technical. Ooh, great. Amazing. Oh, great. Really technical. Yeah, you made it to the end. Oh, nice. Sick.